was great. We got to see the local vendors. So this is our expectation as well. So we have imported a system which is primarily made for Indian market. It's a solution, wristbands solution. So we got all the way from Singapore and wanted to test with the local vendors. And I think we achieved our objective of this event. And we know its interoperability is not like, you cannot just take it granted. It's hard. We have experienced that also these 2 days. You can do interoperability even with standards, without standards, we always feel in GE that doing with standard, maybe it is expensive, but in long term it's definitely beneficial for the producer as well as the user. So most of our interfaces we go with the standards as much as possible. We don't take interoperability as a separate thing, it's integrated into the design and development of the products.
So why was Connect-a-thon important to you? We are a big organization, goes all over the world, and this was just a maiden attempt. Why was this important to you?
Without Connect-a-thon, what we can best achieve is we can make G2G product stock best, right? So, in reality, that's not so. The customers is going to have the mix of other vendors as well as with GE. So it's always good to test with other vendors, and this is the only platform we get such an opportunity. And having such regional-based Connect-a-thons is good to connect with the regional vendors too. And otherwise, I don't see it's anytime possible to get these vendors to our capitals and test with them.
The other vendors that you saw here, they were vendors who had some global presence, some local presence, some startups. How did you find them to be interactive?
Everybody was standard conscious, which I felt very good. I felt like like-minded people here. And interactions was great. And they wanted to be as compliant as possible to the products. So we did over and beyond some testing as well, not even part of those existing test cases. So they want to make the best use of the products that GE packs, means they want to have a test more to check their compliance against. So we saw that over and beyond connections happening.
So what message do you want to take back to your organization?
Definitely we want to leverage such things in India or anywhere happening. And our primary goal is the customers in this region should get solutions, maybe mix back of any vendors, should work seamlessly, should not have any troubles connecting with them, because that user experience is going to be the key. So we have aligned as an organization very much customer centric, and we would participate, and I would definitely be the sponsor or ambassador, brand ambassador to promote such participation in these events. That's definitely.
Thank you. Thank you. What would be your message be to other vendors who would want to take part in such events?
They have to take it a little seriously. Come up with more test data and want to make the best use of the event. So it's not only limited to the test cases that you give. You can make a bigger use purpose of this. So come up more prepared and with a lot of test data.
Thank you very much.
And also, for the organizing committee, I would really extend thanks for it. It's a nice platform. And it will be good if you can, IHE test cases on one side, that is definitely important. But MPPLs is not much used in this place, because we should do more the workflows which are more relevant to our region. That makes it even more a promising use case for me to put in more modalities. So there is some unique workflow that everybody uses, printing, everybody uses CD media, read write in this region. Then we should have more vendors and test some the solutions which are more appropriate for this region. So that I would request you to, if that is arranged from next week, I would definitely get more people from GE to participate.
Lovely. Thank you so much for your participation and all the time that you've given us.
Thank
and
you.
You flew your equipment from Singapore just for this event. Thank you again.
It's mutually beneficial. Thank you.